If you're a marketer, then you most likely wear hats of many kinds, which also means that you need to be prepared to create presentations of any kind. From pitch decks to sales decks, quarterly reports, project overviews, marketing accomplishments, and the list could go on and on. There's a clear line between creating an average, low-engaging presentation that will put your colleagues to sleep and creating a visually engaging presentation that will keep them interested, involved, and entertained with everything you have to present. With Visme, you can create top-of-the-line, professionally designed presentations within minutes to convey your information and data clearly. You don't need to be a professional designer to make a presentation like one. So if creating a beautiful presentation sounds like a professional designer's task that's well beyond your skill set, then you're in for a pleasant surprise. In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to directly import and visualize your stats and figures with our data widgets, how to add videos and graphic animations to keep things visually engaging, how to share your content publicly or internally with your team, how to track your presentation's analytics and performance, and a whole lot more. So let's dive in and show you how to create a presentation that you can be proud of. Visme has dozens of presentation templates that you can choose from to help lighten your workload. To access Visme's presentation templates, go to your dashboard and click on Create New, New Project, then Presentation. Now choose the template that suits your style best and click Edit. This will open your presentation within our editor, and then you can begin to customize it to meet your needs. If you don't find a slide that you want to use in your selected template, you can access slides from other templates and add them into your project. You can do this by opening your presentation in the editor, clicking on Add Slide, then More Templates. You now have access to all presentation templates and can add any slide you'd like. Do you have strict brand guidelines that you or your team want to abide by? Not a problem. In Visme, you can hide all non-brand colors, fonts, and templates to maintain complete brand consistency across your organization. When talking about loads of numbers, statistics, and data, it's easy for your crowd to become lost and uninterested. That's why we've come up with the perfect solution for marketers to keep their presentations interesting, and that's by using our data widgets. Not only do we have tons of stats and figure templates that you can choose from, but we also have charts, graphs, diagrams, tables, maps, and widgets that you can use to visualize your data. Instead of manually adding all your data, why not import it directly into our platform and watch it all come together while you sit back and relax? To import your data and have it automatically uploaded onto your presentation, click on your chart and then Import Data. You can now choose to import from Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Google Analytics, and SurveyMonkey. To import and connect your live data from Google Sheets, go to your spreadsheet and click File, then Publish to the web. Click Publish and confirm that you want to publish this document. Now you can copy the link to your spreadsheet and paste it into the Visme editor. Hit Connect and all your data will now be automatically uploaded into your chart. You can also connect to your Google Analytics account to import and visualize your web traffic to graphs and charts in your Visme presentation. To import your data from Google Analytics, click on Google Analytics and click Connect. You can then sign into your account and grant access to Visme to see and download your Google Analytics data. Click on the report and time period you want to pull into your Visme project. Customize your report so it fits perfectly into your presentation. And that's it! Now your website analytics reporting can be made that much easier just by linking Google Analytics to your Visme account. When you create a presentation with Visme, your presentation will be animated by default via auto transitions. To have a look at all the different transitions you can choose from, right-click on a slide and click Transitions. This will open up a list of transitions on the left-hand side of the screen. You can now look through and test out all the different transitions. If you want to go even deeper, in Visme, you can animate any object on your presentation, making it slide in and out, fade in, pop out, spin, and so much more. You can also add thousands of graphic elements, both static and animated, to your presentation. To add an animated graphic design element, scroll through our list of handcrafted elements and click on the one that catches your eye. You can then customize their color, pose, movements, speed, frequency of movements, direction, and more. Now, to keep your presentation visually engaging, it's time to add some images, videos, and audio clips. If you want to upload your own images, you can do so by clicking on Photos and Upload. To upload your videos, click on Media, Videos, My Videos, and then upload the videos you wish to use. And finally, if you want to take a break from talking during your presentation, one great way to do so is to add audio to your slide. You can add soft background music or upload your own audio clips into your gallery. You can also record your audio directly within our editor. If you don't have your own media that you want to upload and use, don't worry. We have millions of stock images, videos, and audio clips for you to use in your presentations. If you're creating a sales presentation, you'll want to insert a form to your presentation to generate leads and signups. You may also want to know who is accessing and viewing your presentation. You can easily do that with Visme's Contact Form tool. To create a form, click the Share button on the top right of your screen and make sure your project is published. Then, click on Advanced Settings and then click on the Privacy tab. You can then turn the Requires Registration feature on or off. When it's on, this will turn on the insights for the project. Your project is now ready to collect potential leads. Each time it's accessed, it will require the user to fill out the contact form, which consists of their name, email address, and company name. All results will be collected and available to access at any time under your dashboard and form results. With the release of our Analytics feature, you can now fully track the traffic for any project you create in Visme. This will allow you to gauge the effectiveness of your project over any given period of time. To track the analytics of your presentation, go to your dashboard to view your projects. Locate your presentation and click on the 3 dots at the bottom right of your presentation project. Click on Analytics, and then you'll be able to view your presentation's analytics data and filter through it by data range as needed. When a public project is viewed, Visme will detect the location the user is coming from, including their country, IP address, and the amount of time a person spends viewing your project. You can also export your presentation's analytics as a CSV file. We hope you found this tutorial on creating engaging presentations helpful and you feel competent and ready to smash your next presentation. We know you're just itching to create your next presentation, so sign up for a free account with Visme today and get started on creating your next amazing design. If you feel like you have so much more to learn regarding presentations but you don't know where to start, we have an entire course dedicated to the subject that you can take for free today and become a certified presentation maker. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Let us know in the comments what you want to learn next, like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of our latest tutorials. Happy designing, everyone!